In a single-center Phase 1 to 2A study, the anti-CD19 chimeric antigen receptor (CAR) T-cell therapy Tisagenlecleucel produced high rates of complete remission and was associated with serious but mainly reversible toxic effects in children and young adults with relapsed or refractory B-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia (ALL). Methods. We conducted a Phase 2, single cohort, 25-center, global study of Tisagenlecleucel in pediatric and young adult patients with CD19 plus relapsed or refractory B-cell ALL. The primary endpoint was the overall remission rate, the rate of complete remission or complete remission with incomplete hematologic recovery, within 3 months. Results. For this planned analysis, 75 patients received an infusion of Tisagenlecleucel and could be evaluated for efficacy. The overall remission rate within 3 months was 81%, with all patients who had a response to treatment found to be negative for minimal residual disease, as assessed by means of flow cytometry. The rates of event-free survival and overall survival were 73%, 95% confidence interval, 60 to 82, and 90%, 95%, 81 to 95, respectively, at 6 months and 50%, 95%, 35 to 64, and 76%, 95%, 63 to 86, at 12 months. The median duration of remission was not reached. Persistence of Tisagenlecleucel in the blood was observed for as long as 20 months. Grade 3 or 4 adverse events that were suspected to be related to Tisagenlecleucel occurred in 73% of patients. The cytokine release syndrome occurred in 77% of patients, 48% of whom received docilizumab. Neurologic events occurred in 40% of patients and were managed with supportive care, and no cerebral edema was reported. Conclusions. In this global study of CAR T-cell therapy, a single infusion of Tisagenlecleucel provided durable remission with long-term persistence in pediatric and young adult patients with relapsed or refractory B-cell ALL, with transient high-grade toxic effects. Funded by Novartis Pharmaceuticals, clinicaltrials.gov number, NCT 02435849.